Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair guys Bluetooth headphone to our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth headphone. So man, how can you unpair it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we unpair guys our Bluetooth headphone. Friends, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will click on guys the search bar here guys Bluetooth setting. So once you can find guys your Bluetooth setting guys, you can see guys your all blue Bluetooth setting guys, Bluetooth address, Bluetooth setting guys, Bluetooth scanning, Bluetooth guys, this all setting guys you can use from here. So when we will click on guys the second option more connection setting Bluetooth setting, then guys you can see Bluetooth setting guys, tap here. Once you can see guys which device guys you have paired, you can check. So I have paid guys this Preton company headphone, and guys now I want to unpair. So right side icon, tap here, and friends you can see guys your this Bluetooth headphone device setting, a phone calls, video, audio, and guys you can see contact setting guys you can on and off from here if you want. So friends you can see disconnect, you want to disconnect, you want to forget means unpair guys, tap here to unpair. Friends your headphone will unpair guys, you cannot use. If you use again guys, you can see guys we will have to give permission, then guys we can use, otherwise not. So like that guys we can unpair guys Bluetooth headphones. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.